Once I've logged into the system, I'd like to review the catalog to see what type of content is out there for me to order. I can click on Catalog and search to find the information available in my sales offer. The screen defaults to give you many different options for cognitive ability, skills, and knowledge, or all assessments, and you can do simple keyword searches. If I'm looking for someone in sales, I can click on the sales option and it'll give me a relevancy based on my keyword search, some of the instruments that make sense for a salesperson. I can then click on the instrument, or I can go straight to a sample report by clicking on View Sample Reports, and it'll bring up that artifact on what that report looks like. For instance, I found good sales opportunities, but now I'd like to narrow it down to just a particular publisher. I can click on that publisher, or I can continue all, and I could say, well, I need this specifically in French, and then it will narrow down the catalog for me again. Let's assume I'm at all languages and I need to narrow my price. I can also narrow my search criteria by using price or time. I'll clear out my filters and stick with my original query of sales. Another way to get at information is to click directly on the instrument. It brings up what we call a product detail sheet of a sample report and the technical manual describing how it was normed, the science behind it, as well as quick facts on pricing, competencies, and available languages. If I want to do an even more discerning search, I can go to characteristics, search by assessment type. I want a personality instrument that's used for development and a level of manager or executive in a particular industry. Let's choose manufacturing and hit search. It will then bring up the different assessments that meet this criteria, once again with a relevancy search of the product that you've selected. You can also do competency searches by clicking on the individual competency and it'll explain some of the characteristics of that competency. Or you can get into cognitive abilities and it'll kind of tree out to different options that you can put in there, always by finishing with search so that you can find the assessment that makes the most sense to you. So once again, as you're reviewing the catalog and you want something specific, you can narrow it down by type, you can search by all, you can go to characteristics and competencies, or you can do a simple keyword search to help you find the instrument that you want.